Hello and welcome. Across the world, a unique celebration is about to begin. As the sun sets in Europe, a new day dawns in the United States. It's the 4th of July, a day of anticipation and pride. We're live, bringing you the heart of the celebration from sunrise to the final firework. This isn't just a broadcast, it's your invitation to join a continent-wide party. Imagine quiet towns waking up, cities humming with excitement, families gather red, white, and blue, grills are prepped, and traditions come alive. Today, we capture every moment of this journey. Whether you're abroad, curious, or right here in the US, you're part of this global community. This is your front row seat to one of America's most cherished holidays. We'll explore the history, share barbecue tips, and enjoy patriotic music. And of course, we'll witness the fireworks that light up the night. The 4th of July is more than a date. It's a feeling, a memory, a promise. Each year, we write a new chapter together, so get comfortable and stay with us. Let's celebrate, connect, and make memories. Welcome to our celebration. The story begins now. What does this day truly represent? Beyond parades and picnics, the 4th of July is the heartbeat of a nation. It marks the day in 1776, when the United States declared independence, a bold statement that echoed worldwide. Every year, we're reminded of liberty and unity. The American flag waves from porches and car windows, red, white, and blue everywhere. These aren't just decorations, they're expressions of a shared identity. The real magic is in the people, laughter, greetings, and quiet moments of preparation. These small traditions link generations and create lasting memories. Today, we capture that human connection and joy. Join our live celebration. Share your plans, memories, and traditions in the comments. Let's create a global conversation, a virtual block party. Your story is part of this day's narrative. Let's make this a 4th of July to remember. Celebrate not just what we see, but the connections we make. The heartbeat of a nation is you. Let's pause and soak in the stillness. Across the US, there's a beautiful calm as the sun rises. This is the quiet before the celebration, a time filled with promise. Imagine empty main streets, flags waiting for parades, parks ready for families. This tranquility is essential, a moment for reflection before the joyful noise. From California beaches to East Coast cities, the nation takes a collective breath. People savor coffee, prepare homes, and ready their hearts for the day ahead. This shared pause connects millions in anticipation. As you start your day, what's your first 4th of July ritual? Share your morning traditions in the comments. These small moments are the foundation of our national story. Let's build our shared narrative from these first moments. As morning progresses, the colors of the 4th of July emerge. A wreath on a door, a child's bike with streamers, small splashes of red, white, and blue. Each decoration is a personal contribution to the national tapestry. Parents decorate wagons, storefronts display festive banners. The landscape transforms, house by house, street by street. It's a spontaneous grassroots celebration of community. People step out in stars and stripes, bandanas and hats. Wearing these colors is a simple way to feel connected. From city balconies to rural barns, the message is the same: unity and pride. The day's power is in bringing people together from all walks of life. Share photos of your decorations and outfits. Let's create a gallery of creativity and pride. Show us how you're dressing up for America's birthday. The nation is waking up in color. Listen, the sounds of the 4th of July morning are building. The gentle clang of a flagpole, screen doors opening, families starting their day. Kitchens come alive with the clatter of pots and pans, the sizzle of breakfast. Lawnmowers and sprinklers prepare yards for guests. These are the sounds of a nation getting ready to celebrate. Soon, music drifts through the air. Patriotic anthems, classic rock, setting the tone.